Just Energy Review, honest user experience with renewable energy solutions. As more people shift toward clean and sustainable energy, companies like Just Energy are stepping into the spotlight. But is it really a reliable provider, or just another energy reseller? Here's my honest experience after using the renewable energy plan. Most people get this wrong. They think switching to green energy is expensive or complicated. But the surprising truth is that Just Energy makes it surprisingly easy. Their platform allows you to choose between fixed rate or variable rate plans, including options power, wind and solar. When I first signed up, I appreciated the transparency. You can see exactly how much of your energy comes from renewable sources, and their fixed rate plans protect you from market price spikes, something that's become a real concern lately. Their customer dashboard is simple and informative, showing usage trends and billing history. Plus, you can offset your carbon footprint through their renewable energy credits, which is a big plus if you're environmentally conscious. However, pricing depends heavily on location and market conditions. In my area, Just Energy's rates were slightly higher than traditional utility providers, but the stability and green energy benefits made it worthwhile. Customer service was decent, not perfect, but responsive. I found that live chat was faster than phone support for billing questions. In short, Just Energy is a great choice if you value sustainability and long-term price protection. It might cost a little more upfront, but the peace of mind and environmental impact are worth it. If you've been thinking about going green without installing solar panels, this could be your best next step.